checked.
Hello guys, it is Bree or Bree the Blind, and I'll give you a quick overview why I said that. So if any of you watched Game of Thrones and you know when Tyrion Lannister called Bran Stark, Bran the Broken, I kind of came up with Bree the Blind because of that. I loved that Bran didn't want to be king, he didn't want to rule, and I just loved the Game of Thrones reference there. So that is why I came up with Bree the Blind. I'm a blind gamer, so Bree the Blind was pretty awesome to me. So that is why I sometimes will refer to myself as Bree the Blind in the opening of the video. Now you know.
Hearthstone Hearth. Play casual 2. Play ranked 1 of. Play standard 1 of 2. Play wild 2. Play wild. Choose your deck. Choose your deck. 4 of 13. Finding opponent. Please wait.
We'll play as Jaina again today. This is a later time for me to record today, mostly because I was sleeping a lot of the day. But it's okay. I still like to record, so the time doesn't really bother me that much. Let's see if we get any takers. Here's hoping we do it pretty quickly.
Jaina versus Rexxar!
Okay,
You're playing against Brarius, the hunter. You start with 4 cards. Your opponent goes first. Starting hand. Keep or replace card. You get the coin. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 1 mana. Hand. Murloc Raider 1 of 6. Sen'jin Shield Master 2 of Murloc Raider 1 of 6. Summon. You summoned Murloc Raider. Hand. The coin. You still have valid plays. Are you hand? Sen'jin Raid Leader Bloodfen Raptor. The coin 4 of 5. You played the coin. You gained 1 mana.
Job's done.
Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Frost Wolf Grunt, 2/2 taunt. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 2 mana. You drew River Crocolisk. Hand. Sen'jin Shield Raid Leader 2 of 5. Bloodfen Novice Engineer River Crocolisk. You summoned River Crocolisk. Minions. Murloc Raider 1. Shoot. Opponent's minions. Frost Wolf Grunt 1 of 1. Your Murloc Raider attacked your opponent's Frost Wolf Grunt. Both minions. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent cast 1 Hunter Secret. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 3 mana. Hand. Sen'jin Shield Master. Raid Leader 2 of 5. Summon at the...
Handle it!
You summoned Raid Leader. Your River Croco... Minions. River Crocolisk 1. Choose opponent's hero. Your River Crocolisk attacked your opponent's hero. Your opponent's... Your River Crocolisk returned to your hand. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
we'll just get him out again later, so it's okay. It's not a big deal that he did that.
Your opponent played Deadly Shot. Destroy random enemy minions. Your Raid Leader died. Turn ended. Your turn. Hand. Sen'jin Shield Master 1. Summon. You summoned Sen'jin Shield Master.
Done.
Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Nightblade, 4/4 Battlecry. Deal 3 damage to the enemy hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Hand. Bloodfen Raptor 1 of 6. Novice Engineer. Polymorph. River Crocolisk. Fireball 5 of 6. Choose a target. Opponent's minion. Opponent's hero. You played Fireball. Your opponent's hero took 6 damage. Minions. Sen'jin Shield Master 1 of 1. Choose opponent's minions. Opponent's hero. Your Sen'jin Shield Master attacked your opponent's hero. Your turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
I'm not confident I'll win this one, but that's okay. I'll do what I can.
Your opponent played Arcane Shot, deal 2 damage. Your Senjin Shield Master took 2 damage. Your opponent summoned Goldshire Footman, 1-2 taunt. Your opponent's Nightblade attacked your Senjin Shield Master. Your minion died. Your opponent used Steady Shot, Hero Power, deal 2 damage to the enemy hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Turn and hand. Bloodfen Raptor 1. Try again. Summon. You summoned Blood Hand. Novice Engineer 1 of. Summon at the right.
I hope you like my invention.
You summoned. You have 2 out of 6 mana. Hand. Polymorph 1. River Crocolisk 2. Summon at the right. Not enough mana. Hand. River Crocolisk. Arcane Intellect. Oasis Snapjaw. Arcane Missiles 5. Play card. You played Arcane Missiles. Your enemy's turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
It's the best I can do.
Your opponent summoned Timber Wolf. 1-2. Your other beasts have 1 attack. Your opponent summoned Houndmaster. 4-3 Battle Cry. Give a friendly beast 2-2 and taunt. Your opponent's Timber Wolf gained taunt, 2 attack, and 2 health. Your opponent summoned Sun Fury Protector. 2-3 Battle Cry. Give adjacent minions taunt. Your opponent's Houndmaster gained taunt. Your opponent's Goldshire Footman attacked your Novice Engineer. Both minions died. Hand. Polymorph 1 of 5. River Crocolisk. Summon at the... You summoned River Crocolisk. Hand. Polymorph. Arcane Intellect 2 of 4. Oasis Snapjaw 3 of. Summon at the right. Not enough. Arcane Explosion 4. Play card. You played Arcane Explosion. Your opponent's minions took 1 damage. Minions. Bloodfen Raptor 1. Choose a target. Opponent. Timberwolf. Houndmaster. Timberwolf 1 of 3. Your Bloodfen Raptor attacked your opponent's Timberwolf. Both minions. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent played Multi-Shot. Deal 3 damage to 2 random enemy minions. Your River Crocolisk took 3 damage. Your River Crocolisk died. Your opponent used Steady Shot. Hero Power, deal 2 damage to the enemy hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's Sun Fury Protector attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's Houndmaster attacked your hero. Your hero took 4 damage. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 8 mana. You drew Novice Engineer. Hand. Polymorph 1 of. Arcane Intellect 2 of 4. Oasis Snapjaw. Novice Engineer. Oasis Snap. Summon. You summoned Oasis Snapjaw. Hand. Polymorph 1. Arcane Intellect 2 of. Novice Engineer 3.
I hope you like my invention.
Hand. Polymorph. Arcane Intellect. Wolf Rider 3 of 3. Summon at the right. Not enough. Arcane Intellect. Play card. Not enough. Hero Power. Fire. Choose a opponent. Pound. Opponent's hero. You used Fire Blast. Your opponent's hero took 1 damage. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Thunder Rhino. 2-5. Your beasts have charge.
Damn. There's some good cards. I want those.
Your opponent used Steady Shot. Hero Power, deal 2 damage to the enemy hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's Houndmaster attacked your hero. Your hero took 4 damage. Your opponent's Sun Fury Protector attacked your Novice Engineer. Your minion died. Your opponent's Thunder Rhino attacked your hero. Your hand. Polymorph 1 of. Arcane Intellect 2. You played Arcane Intellect. You drew Arcane Intellect and Bloodfen Raptor. Hand. Wolf Rider 2. Fireball 3. Arcane Bloodfen Raptor. You summoned Bloodfen Raptor. Hand. Polymorph 1 of 4. Wolf Rider 2 of 4. Summon at the right. You summoned Wolf Rider. Minions. Oasis Snapjaw 1 of. Choose it. Opponent's minions. Opponent's minions. Opponent's minions. Your Oasis Snapjaw attacked your opponent's Houndmaster. Your opponent's minions. Choose it. Opponent's minions. Your Wolf Rider attacked your opponent's Sun Fury Protector. Both minions. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent played Multi-Shot. Deal 3 damage to 2 random enemy minions. Your minions took 3 damage. Your minions died. Your opponent used Steady Shot. Hero Power, deal 2 damage to the enemy hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's Thunder Rhino attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Turn ended. Hand. Polymorph 1 of. Fireball 2 of 4. Choose a target. Opponent's hero. You played Fireball. Your opponent's hero took 6 damage. Hand. Polymorph 1 of 3. Arcane Intellect 2 of 3. Raid Leader 3 of 3. Summon.
Handle it!
You summoned Raid Hand. Arcane Intellect 2 of 2. Play card. You played Arcane Intellect. You drew River Crocolisk and Boulder Fist. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent cast 1 Hunter Secret. Your opponent played Cobra Shot. Deal 3 damage to a minion from the enemy hero. Your friendly characters took 3 damage. Your raid leader died. Turn ended. Your turn. Hand. Polymorph 1 of River Crocolisk 2 of 4. Summon. You summoned River Crocolisk. Hand. Polymorph 1 of 3. Boulder Fist Ogre 2 of 3. You have 8 out of 10 mana. Summon at the right. You summoned Boulder Fist Ogre. Hero power. Fire. Choose opponent. Your hero. Minions. Boulder Fist opponent's minions. Tundra Rhino 1 of 1. You used Fire Blast. Your opponent's Tundra Rhino took 1 damage. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent played Arcane Shot. Deal 2 damage. Your Boulder Fist Ogre took 2 damage. Your opponent used Steady Shot. Hero power. Deal 2 damage to the enemy hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your hero died. You lose.
That was fun.
You've gained 49 XP. You've gained 9 XP. You can't lose stars at this. Quest progress toast. Play 10 odd cost cards in Hearthstone. Current progress is 7 out of 10. Quest progress toast. Play 10 games of Hearthstone's ranked mode. Current progress is choose your deck. 4 OBS Studio 30 OBS Studio 30.2.3 profile.
This recording. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like stuff like this, please remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And I will see you guys in the next one.
Start streaming checkbox. Stop recording.